In this guide, we'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process to exit the National Pension System, commonly known as NPS, and start receiving your pension through an annuity plan. Whether you're a non-government sector employee retiring at 60 or opting for an early exit due to personal reasons, this guide provides a clear and comprehensive walkthrough to help simplify what might otherwise seem like a complex process. Let's begin. Before you start the process, gather all the necessary documents. Preparation is key to ensuring a smooth and fast transition. First, create a single KYC PDF file, no larger than 5 megabytes, that contains self-attested copies of your essential identification documents, your Aadhaar card, PAN card, PRAN number, and a canceled check. These documents confirm your identity and bank details. If you are selecting a joint annuity option, you'll also need to collect a scanned PDF of your spouse's Aadhaar and PAN cards. In addition, make sure you have your most recent passport-size photograph in JPEG format. For joint annuity applicants, your spouse's photograph in JPEG format is required as well. Being organized at this stage will save time and prevent delays later. Step-by-step process. 1. Log in to the official NPS website using your credentials. Start the online withdrawal process. This portal is where the entire journey begins. Please refer to the YouTube video linked in the description for detailed information and guidance on submitting the NPS online withdrawal form. 2. Fill in the online withdrawal form with great care. Pay special attention to details such as your full name, bank account information, nominee details, and annuity option. Review each section thoroughly before submitting. Remember, if you're inactive for too long, the session might expire. 3. After successfully submitting the form, download all relevant documents. This includes your withdrawal form, the request details screenshot, and any other files provided by the portal. 4. Email the documents you just downloaded to your organization's corporate NPS team. These include the withdrawal form, your request details, service request detail, and your KYC PDF. The corporate team will cross-check the information and, once verified, authorize your request in the CRA Central Record Keeping Agency system. 5. Once authorization is complete, you'll receive an email with the contact information of your chosen annuity service provider, also called the ASP. This will include their name, phone number, and email ID. 6. Now, reach out to the ASP. Send them the same set of documents along with your passport-size photograph. If you're opting for a joint annuity, include your spouse's documents and photograph as well. 7. The ASP will examine the submitted documents. They might give you a call to confirm the details and answer any questions. After validation, they will fill out your annuity application and send you a secure, OTP-based link for approval. Be available during this time for any additional clarification they may need. 8. Next, the CRA will verify the annuity request. If everything checks out, they will transfer the corpus to the insurance company, usually within 3 to 4 working days. 9. Once the insurer receives the funds, they will issue the annuity policy. You'll get an email copy of the policy, and you can also request a hard copy to be mailed to your home address. Altogether, steps 4 to 9 typically take around 7 to 8 working days, assuming all documents are in order and there are no delays. After your annuity is issued, your pension payments will begin 1 month later. You can choose the frequency of payments, monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, or annually, based on your preference at the time of application. Do keep in mind, your KYC needs to be updated every 3 years. You can do this conveniently online through your insurance provider's mobile app. Alternatively, you can submit a physical life certificate if digital options are unavailable to you. Real case study. Now let me share my real-life experience to help you better understand the process. I opted for a 100% joint life annuity with return of purchase price from ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. As of February 10, 2025, the annuity rate offered was 6.91%. Shriram Life Insurance offered a slightly better rate of 6.96%, but the monthly difference was only 342 rupees. For me, ICICI felt like the more reliable and convenient choice. Here's how the timeline played out. On February 7th, I submitted my NPS Exit request. It was approved the same day. On February 8th, I contacted ICICI Pru, and they guided me through the annuity application, which we completed the same day. By February 10th, the annuity was authorized in the CRA system. On February 11th, that day's NAV was recorded as the unit redemption date. The annuity corpus was transferred to the insurer on February 13th. Later that night, I received the policy details by email. On February 15th, I received an SMS with a link to download my annuity policy. The official start date of the policy was February 13th. By February 21st, the hard copy arrived at my home via courier. Finally, on March 13th at 6:45 p.m., I received my very first pension payout directly into my bank account. Overall, the process was efficient, smooth, and professionally handled. It took just 7 to 8 working days for everything to come together. Before we end, here are a few key takeaways. Purchasing your annuity online can increase your monthly pension by approximately 1% of the payout amount. Pension payments are exempt from tax deducted at source, also known as TDS. Once issued, you can manage your annuity policy through the insurer's mobile app. You can update your address, phone number, or other personal details at any time. Lastly, there's no GST applicable on annuities purchased through the NPS framework. Please refer to the links provided in the description for details on NPS Exit rules, the NPS Pension calculator, and a document related to the topic covered in this video. We hope this guide has helped you better understand the NPS Exit and annuity process. Plan wisely. Retire peacefully. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all for notifications. Feel free to leave a respectful comment. Vulgar or inappropriate comments will be blocked. See you in the next video.